jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now...
Oh my God!
Hey guys, it's Blaize. And in this video, as you can see by the title, it's a small JB and Eve's haul. I have a code with them this month for 10% off your purchase. It is right here up on the screen. Make sure to use my code and get yourself some badass stuff. So last week I was talking with one of my subscribers, Lisa. Hi girl, hi. Love you. And she asked me if I saw some of the new palettes that were on JB and Eve's, and I was like, yes, I saw them and I love them, and that they came out with something else that I really need to try. And all of a sudden I got a notification that I got a gift card for JB and Eve's, and she said Merry Christmas. So thank you so much, Lisa. This was such a sweet thing for you to do. You didn't have to do this, but she did. So I spent a total of $21.95. What should I start with? All right, I guess I'll start with the free gift that they put in. It is the Amore Us Pro Makeup Brush, the 923 brush. It just looks kind of like a shader brush. Like, no, maybe just an eyeshadow brush. It's fluffy, it's soft and dense. So I will definitely be playing with that and letting you know how that is. That was, should I say the price of everything? I guess so. Oh wait, that was a free gift. That's not something I ordered, so I don't know the price on it. The next thing I got was just a ring stent. They're only $1, and I get all my ring stents from JB and Eve's because they're $1 and they work amazing. I just got this plain old gold one. Nothing special about that. Then I got a replacement because even though I'm not out of the other one, when I use, I've been using brow pomade the past like 2 weeks, but when I use a pencil, my favorite one is the LA Colors Browy Wowie pencil in Espresso. This is amazing, and it's $1.99, I think. Yeah, $1.99, so it's $2. Spoolie on one end, product on the other. Love this stuff. Definitely pick it up if you are in the search for a good liner or good eyebrow pencil. Hi. This. Then I got this purely for aesthetics, but then I saw it in person and I'm like, that's kind of badass. I'm probably going to use it. So this is the Santi Cushion Gel Liner. Look at it. It looks like a quill in ink. How appropriate is that for me? If you guys are new or don't know or anything like that, I am obsessed with history, especially from the Western European and stuff, and I'm also a writer and stuff like that, so anything vintage, antique-y, anything like that is right up my alley, and it makes my heart so freaking happy. This was, how much was this? $1.99 as well, and it's made really well. So the quill has just the brush that you would use to line it. The brush is actually really nice looking, and the cushion is on the bottom right here, so it is a cushion liner. So you you dip the brush in the liner, and that's how you do it. But I don't know if I'm actually going to use it. I think I just might put it on display because I love quills and pens and stuff like that, as you guys know. I got these cat ears, in case you're wondering. They had a few different colors, but I got them in white, so it matches with everything. How cute. They've got like little rhinestones in them, and then the white fur on them. These were $1. I had to have these. These are like my new favorite kitty ears. I love them so much. Okay, a few months ago I purchased this, and it's been the only primer I've been using. This is the Amuse Silicone Gel Primer, and look, that's how much I've used. I only have that much left. It used to be all the way down here, so I used that. Then they posted last week that they came out with the Amuse 14 Karat Gold Primer. I used it today. Tell me that is not a beautiful, beautiful primer. It's in glass. It's glass. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is like a straight dupe for the YSL Touche Clair Blur Primer, because it's got like little flecks of gold in it, and it's gold, and just the pump even is like really nice. None of this feels cheap whatsoever. So this was $3.99, only $4 for this. $4 hairs for this, and I like it better than the other one so far because it is very nice and sticks right to your foundation, but it feels just so nice, and I'm so excited that I got that. Then let's go to the two last items. So I got two eyeshadow palettes. This is the Amuse Marbled 9-shade eyeshadow palette. This was $2.99. Look at the packaging. That's mainly why I got it. Like, I am a sucker for packaging. I know, it's a bad thing. So we got this right here. Look at how pretty that looks. And we got the shades on the back, and we got a mirror up top, and these are the shades that come in this beautiful palette. We got some mattes, we got some shimmers. So let me swatch some of these. We'll do this one. So there are some swatches from this palette. Very, 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 very pretty. Let's swatch that like that. Gorgeous. I'm really, really excited to be playing around with this palette a lot. I am definitely going to be using that in the next couple days. Then this was the palette that me and Lisa were talking about. I wanted this palette so bad. This is the Cara Beauty, or Cara Beauty, I don't know how you pronounce it. The Ethereal 9 Shadow eyeshadow palette. These guys, beautiful. No mirror, which I actually prefer. Gorgeous, cool toned palette. Like, are you kidding me? Oh, and they have names. The names are on the back. That makes me so much happier. Oh, so much happier. So we have the shades here. Let me do this. We have from first to last, we have Tint, Pure, Mist, Divine, Sentiment, Soul, Harp, Invoke, and Veil. Gorgeous colors. Let me swap. Let me swatch some of these. Oof. Oh, these are so freaking pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. Ah. Look at that. Those are so freaking pigmented and so creamy, buttery, soft. So worth the price. This was $8.99. So I would definitely say pick this up. I absolutely am in love with this. And again, I can't wait to play around with this one. That's all that I picked up from JB Eves this time. Like I said, it was a small haul, but these are really the only things that I wanted really badly and that I wanted to replace my eyebrow pencil. So yeah, if you guys want to see more JB Eves hauls, give this video a big thumbs up and like it for me. Mwah. Here are all my social medias. Please go ahead and feel free to follow me on all my social medias and be social with me on medias. If you're interested in this eye look, that video will be coming up next, so get ready for that one. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go down, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. And remember, I have three massive giveaways. 3 massive giveaways going on this month, so I will link them down below and up in the cards as always. So make sure to get your hands on some really cool stuff and subscribe. That's what I meant to say. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.